Here's the secret to a great open house that will get you new business. When I was a brand new real estate agent, I would sit at open houses that were empty, and I learned a secret that strategic marketing, like the 3 tips I'm going to share, will bring people and lots of them. Tip number 1, use synergy. Contact some of the other real estate agents in the area that have listings and see if they would like to do an open house at the same time. By each of you marketing that event, you're going to get more people coming. Tip number 2, put together a flyer about the open house and knock on 50 to 100 doors around the listing. By giving this to the owners, it not only gives them the opportunity to give you a referral and send people, but if they've thought about selling, they're going to see what you do to sell homes. And third, my favorite, run Facebook and Instagram ads geo-targeting the area and people who are interested in things like real estate, Zillow, or even Realtor.com. Those are the people you want coming. Send me a DM and I'm happy to share with you my full marketing plan for open houses.